If your website, social media, or ads are bringing attention but not actual booked calls, the problem may not be your service. The problem is usually the system after someone shows interest. Most businesses do not lose leads because people are not interested. They lose leads because nobody captures, follows up, nurtures, and converts that interest properly. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing amazing. Today we will discuss about why businesses are losing leads and how to build a simple system that helps turn attention into real conversations. If you own a local business, you already know how hard it is to get someone to notice you. But the bigger problem is what happens after they notice you. Many business owners are doing pieces of marketing. They have a website, they post on social media, they may run ads, they may have a Google business profile, but these pieces are not connected. A visitor lands on the website and leaves. A Facebook lead comes in and sits untouched. A missed call is never followed up. A quote request gets answered too late. This is not a marketing issue only, it is a lead flow issue. Every missed inquiry creates two losses. First, you lose the immediate customer. Second, you train the market to choose the business that replies faster and feels easier to work with. When follow-up is slow, the customer does not usually wait. They keep searching, call another company, or book with a competitor who responded first. The solution is not to post more or spend more right away. The solution is to build a lead flow system. A strong lead flow system has 5 parts: visibility, capture, speed, nurture, and conversion. Visibility helps people find you. Capture turns visitors into contacts. Speed makes sure no inquiry is ignored. Nurture builds trust with people who are not ready today. Conversion gives them a simple next step, like booking a call or requesting a quote. For example, imagine someone finds your business on Google and visits your website. Instead of only showing a contact form, your website gives them a helpful checklist or quick audit. Once they submit their information, they receive an instant confirmation. Your team gets notified. The lead is added into a CRM. If they do not book right away, they receive helpful follow-up messages over the next few days. That is a system. That is very different from hoping they remember to call you back. At WeSolve, we help businesses build the marketing strategy around visibility, content, ads, and conversion. With Lead Magno, we help connect the follow-up side through CRM, automation, pipelines, missed call text back, email, SMS, calendars, and reporting. The goal is not just more traffic. The goal is a cleaner path from first touch to booked conversation. If you feel like your marketing is getting attention but not enough leads, start with a simple audit. Look at where people discover you, what action they take, how quickly you follow up, and whether every inquiry has a clear next step. If you want help reviewing your current system, book a strategy session and we can walk through it together.